Good morning, student. The topic of today is double fertilization, and the process is the characteristic feature in the angiosperm. And this process occurs in the embryo sac, that is also known as female gametophyte. Embryo sac is also known as female gametophyte. Now, the one important question which has been asked frequently in the board examination about the embryo sac or female gametophyte is that it has been asked that this is 7-celled and 8 nuclei structure. So you have to prove that how many what are these 7 cells and how the 8 nuclei are there in the embryo sac. So this is an embryo sac. The central cell, the largest cell, the number 1 cell. On the anterior portion of the central cell are 3 antipodal cells, and on the lower side of central cell there are 3 cells. One is the central egg cell and the 2 neighboring synergid cells. So there are 7 cells, 1 central cell, 1 egg cell, 3 antipodal cells and 2 synergid cells. So total cells are 7 cells. And the central cell, which is the largest cell, it has 2 nuclei rather than 1 nuclei. It has 2 nuclei, so it is 8 nuclei overall. So the embryo sac is 7-celled and 8 nuclei structure. These polar nuclei fused to form the secondary nucleus. So student, you have to remember this thing, that these 2 polar nuclei fuses together to form the secondary nucleus. As 2 nuclei are fused, so it is the diploid. The ploidy of secondary nucleus is 2n. 2 polar nuclei are there, so when they got fused, they form the secondary nucleus, that is diploid. Now we understand the double fertilization. As you know that this embryo sac is present inside the ovary, and in this ovary the pollen tube enters with its 2 male gametes. 2 male gametes in pollen tube. So it has been asked how many male gametes are there in pollen tube, so you will say 2 male gametes. Now what happens? Let's see. The first male gamete fuses with the egg cell to form the zygote. First male gamete fuses with the egg cell to form zygote, and the second male gamete fuses with the secondary nucleus, which I already told you how the secondary nucleus is formed. This is formed by the fusion of 2 polar nuclei. Okay, so 2 male gamete plus secondary nuclei, they form PEN. PEN. The full form of PEN is the primary endosperm nucleus. This PEN later on produce endosperm. So the first fusion in which zygote is formed is known as the generative fertilization. The second, in which the PEN is formed, is known as the vegetative fertilization. So in this way, the 2 process of fertilization are occurring simultaneously in this ovary, in embryo sac. That's why it is known as double fertilization. First is generative fertilization, which produce zygote. This is the diploid 2n, and the vegetative fertilization, which produce PEN. PEN is a triploid structure. It has 3n. It's again an important question. PEN is the triploid. How? 2 polar nuclei 2n plus 1 male gamete n. So they form the triploid structure. So this is the double fertilization. Thank you.